Hello my dear student, I am Anindita Bhattacharya. Welcome in my SST class. Today I am here to teach you Geography Chapter 3 Motion of the Earth. So the learning objectives of these chapters are the Earth's axis, rotation, length of the day and night, revolutions, the phenomenon of season. Okay, so let's start. Every morning you see the sun rising in the east, then as the day proceeds, the sun moves across the sky and the evening it sets in the west. You think that sun moves around the earth? This is exactly what people wrongly believed in the ancient times. Do you even see now a running train? The trees, houses, people appear to moving in the opposite direction. Actually, the train moves, not object outside. Similarly, sun is stationary and it is in earth that is moving. Now, we are going to discuss the definition of Earth's rotation. According to your NCERT book, rotation is the movement of Earth on its axis. But in simple words, rotation is a movement in circles around a central point. It is similar to the spinning of a top, spinning of wheel, rotation of fan. So, the daily movement of Earth on its imaginary axis from west to east is called rotation. I am going to repeat. The daily movement of Earth on its imaginary axis from west to east is called rotation. Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. This period of Earth's rotation is called an Earth day or solar day. Okay, up to that got it now? The next one, the axis of Earth, which is an imaginary line, makes an angle of 66 degree with its orbital plane, or we can say 66.5 degree with its orbital plane. So, the next question should be like that. What is orbital plane? In very simple way, it is a path on which the earth revolves around the sun is called orbit. Means orbit is a path on which the earth revolves around the sun. And the plane formed by the orbit is known as the orbital plane. I am going to repeat. Orbit is a path on which the earth revolves around the sun. And the plane formed by the orbit is known as the orbital plane. This is known as the tilt or inclination of Earth's axis. When the Earth rotates on its axis, one half faces the sun, means experience the day, and the other half is tilted away from the sun, remains in darkness, and has night. A circular line that divides the lit part of the earth from dark half is called the circle of illumination. I am going to repeat. A circle line that divides the lit part of the earth from dark half is called circle of illumination. So, the next question. What would happen if the earth did not rotate? If the earth stopped spinning, suddenly the portion of the earth facing the sun would always remain day and would become extremely hot, and the other half away from the sun would face deadly cold. Life could not be possible here in such type of extreme climate. So dear student, in this class we have learned so many important topics like axis, orbital plane, earth day, the circle of illumination, definition of rotation. So enough for today's class. We'll meet in our next class. Till now, bye. Happy learning.